Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something that is going to improve the drivability of Project Felicity, but we're not installing any parts. We're actually removing parts. So what we are doing today is adjusting the timing on the injection pump on the V2403. This is something that KubotaSwappers has been wanting me to do for a long time. And I was kind of hesitant to do it because I really wanted to show you, like, oh hey, you don't have to do anything. And it drives great. And on the 235/75 R15 Goodyear Wrangler radial tires, I was really happy with it. With the 235/85 R16 tires, it could use a little bit more timing. So right now the stock timing is around 5 degrees. And if you remove all the shims, you should be able to get the engine to around 15 degrees. So in order to do that, we're going to have to disconnect the fuel lines, remove the intake, and just lift the injection pump off. Admittedly, I should have done this when I replaced the hard lines, and I didn't. Remove the shims, reinstall everything, put the intake back on, put the hard lines back on, bleed the air out of the system, and take it for a test drive. So, time lapse. Okay, just a couple of things I forgot. We did have to remove the supply line from the lift pump. This little line is what actually cools the injectors and allows you to bleed the system. The other thing I forgot about is, I can't remember what this is called, but we have to remove this so we can lift the injection pump out. So we're going to remove this real quick, and then we'll work on removing the injection pump. Okay, this big thing down here, don't know what it is, didn't need to remove it. It ended up being the fuel shutoff assembly that had to be removed. This is the spacer that I am presuming KubotaSwappers is saying I need to remove to change the timing of the motor. And actually, this is actually quite thick. Oh, it is 2 pieces. I take that back. Aha! Okay, so all we gotta do is remove this and reinstall everything, and we will have adjusted the injection timing on the Kubota V2403, and hopefully this thing will fire right back up. But yeah, I might try cleaning up some of this real quick just to make it look better, and I think I'm gonna put a rag in here so I don't get any dirt or debris on any of those lobes. And actually, everything down in there looks really good. This engine really wasn't run all that long. So, but yeah, these are the shims. They're removed. By removing them, we have now adjusted the timing. Pretty cool. So, time lapse. Okay, I've got everything reassembled. Everything's tight. What we're now going to do is try to bleed the system real quick. I'm going to turn on the car. You'll hear the fuel pump come on. I'm going to open this valve and you should hear like a faint swooshing sound. And if that all goes good, we are good to try to start this. So yeah, let's do this. I love having that lift pump. Okay, shut the valve. Fire in the hole. Let it bleed some air again. Fire in the hole. Woo! Definitely got some air in the lines, that's for sure. Fire in the hole. Okay, that has really changed. That's a much different sound than what I'm used to. If I had to guess, make sure all those are tight. It almost sounds like it's idling lower, if I had to guess. I don't have a tachometer yet. That might be tomorrow if I get all the parts in, which they're supposed to get here tomorrow. But yeah. It's too dark outside right now. I don't have an alternator, so if I went out and tried to do a quick little test drive around the yard, I'd probably kill it because I have no way of charging the battery. But yeah, that actually went overall really well. But it does sound like it's idling lower. I need to look into that. So anyway, leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, you know what to do. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have, to all of you that have been watching and leaving comments, it means the world to me, so thank you, you're awesome, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Goodbye.